Wait, so you said I could make $300 a day?
Stop playing with me with no freaking work.
So you saying with this tactic I could make money in my sleep and using the bathroom and cooking?
It can't be that easy. It just can't be that easy.
But it really is. It's super easy, and I'm about to show you how to do it right now.
So I'm gonna be able to quit my job too.
With just 4 hours a day, you will be making passive income.
So my prayer has been answered. I am honestly making money online to quit my freaking job, man. It's so crazy.
This is literally 100% guaranteed income.
Literally the laziest way to make money online today.
Oh my God, it turns one hopeless dollar
To 30,000?
into talk about flipping cash.
I'm flipping out on how much money I have already made today.
It's 10 in the morning and I already made almost $300.
Yesterday, 5:30.
This week I made $65,000. I'm definitely going on vacation after this.
And it's all thanks to
Divine commissions. $1 in and get back 10. No content creation, no video creation, and no tech skills were needed. In the inside of the members area is all the training needed that you can start making this money online, same as me.
with using Google Ads.
There's a $30,000 case study included, and it just takes minutes.
Put in $1 and get out 10. Try it and see for yourself.
And don't just take my word for it. Test it out. Try it for yourself.
It's super duper easy to follow. It's super simple. I made my first sale in less than 12 hours and it was crazy.
Okay, I might try it out. You said hit the link below?
Yes, just click the link below in my bio, in my description, and get your own copy. And on top of that, you will be getting my bonuses to scale this technique 100% more. You might be making more money than me if you know what you're doing.
Free bonuses will end October 31st, so you have to move fast.
You will get all of my insane bonuses just at the front end.
Price of $12.
Bonus number 1, broke to $100,000 a month. This is a step-by-step tutorial, guys. Stop playing with me. You see my money already.
This is bonus number 2, 5-figure freedom. How to make 5 figures a month, guys. You have to click the link below to get my bonuses for free.
Bonus number 3, value add over $300. This is easy passive paydays, guys. Click the link below to get your copy of Divine Commission.
This is bonus number 4, how to make $100 a day from your laptop with free traffic, no extra payment. This is 100% a free bonus tutorial.
Number 5, all the special vendor bonuses. Get access to this today. Click on any of these yellow buttons on my bonus page to get your copy of Divine Commissions.
Like I said, this deal will not last. This deal will only be here till October 31st. So make sure you grab your copy before you miss out on all of my insane bonuses. Stop playing, making more money than you? Yes, more money than me. Try it out. Click the link below right now. This is a limited time offer. Click that link now. Click it now.